Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help with that. The home directory in Python refers to the default directory where a user's files are typically stored. Python provides a module called OS that allows you to interact with the operating system, including accessing the home directory. Here's a tutorial on how to work with the home directory in Python. In Python, you can retrieve the path to the user's home directory using the OS module. Here's how you can do it. First, import the OS module to access its functionalities. Use the os.path.expanduser method to get the path to the user's home directory. Once you have the path to the home directory, you can perform various operations such as listing files, creating directories, or accessing files within this directory. To list all the files and directories in the home directory, you can use os.listdir. To create a new directory within the home directory, use os.makeDirs. To access a file within the home directory, you can simply specify its path. That's it. You've learned how to access the home directory in Python using the OS module and perform basic operations within this directory. This functionality can be useful when dealing with user-specific files or directories in your Python programs. Remember, the home directory varies depending on the operating system, but Python's os.path.expanduser method abstracts this difference and provides a consistent way to access it across different platforms. ChatGPT